I hope everyone has started solving and you're not waiting for me. Kirani Joanio, pay solo as one. Aim is that you solve the question, not me. Here, please take the equal set. So, what? Did you draw the diagram for this one? Yes. Yes. So, given that we're throwing a ball up from ground, okay, with how much speed? 20 meters per second. Okay. Then what will happen? It will go to its maximum height and then it will fall down. Right or not? Yes. Okay. We have to find out how much time does it take to reach this point. Yes. Okay or not? So let's call initial point A and this point as B. Is it fine? Yes. So we will have to do calculation from A to B because we have to find the time it takes to go from A to B. Right? Okay. So which equation should we use and we should use for A to B? I think that will be clear to all of you. Right? Whatever equation we use, we should use it for A to B. Correct or not? Yes. Sure? Yes. Which equation? First, second, or third? First. First? Yes. Are you sure? Yes. If you say so, let's see what happens. Second. Who says first? Alright, who says second? Okay. Third. So we bajo bijusu. Third says second. Let's try first. First. What do we get? V, final velocity. 0? Yes. First of all, which point is initial and which point is final? A is initial and B is final. Okay or not okay? Yes. Sure? Yes. Final velocity is at B. So how much? 0. 0? Yes. Who says 0? How? And the highest point? The direction will reverse. So the velocity will be 0. Yes or no? Yes. So here 0 will. Okay, then is there any other problem here? Do we have all the other values? Yes. Do we find it? What is reason? 20 meters. Plus 20 minus 20. Okay, 0. Upward positive, downward negative. Can I give %? Yes. Finish. If you try to do it by delta, I suggest that everyone tries it. See what happens. If you try to do it like this. Okay, first complete this, then you try to do it. See what happens. Open the windows over there. Cancel the part. Rupali, right? You are Rupali and she is? Dia. Yeah, please don't forget to shut the windows when you leave. Everyone. Done.
Yes.
What's the answer?
2 seconds.
30 or 2 seconds.
2 seconds.
Minus 2.
No.
Who's getting minus 2?
Plus 2.
Who's getting minus 2? Have a common answer there. Who's getting minus 2? Anyone else? Oh. V0 plus 20. Clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Acceleration
Minus 10.
10 or minus 10?
Minus 10.
Minus 10. Acceleration due to gravity is always downward. We have taken downwards as negative. Is it fine?
Yes.
So minus 10. Please don't look at this and say 10. G's value is 10, but acceleration value is minus 10. Is that fine?
Yes, sir.
Right? Because G is only the magnitude. And T we want to find out. So that will give you T is equal to 2 seconds. Fine now. Try like this. See what happens. What will be the problem? We don't know the displacement. Is that okay?
Yes,
The problem is that you don't know T and you also don't know delta X. So this is a bad idea. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay? Over there. Next question. Come on. Again, like I was making it clear last time, please ask if you don't get something. Okay, because that's the key. Concept same but develop time. Draw the diagram over there for the question. Okay, this is 10 seconds. It is not LOS. Okay, I know it looks like LOS. It is 10 seconds. Hurry up, don't draw diagram like that. अरे हम वो एकदम आर्ट जेव ड्रॉ नहीं करो प्लीज. Okay. Done. Is it fine? ચાલો डिजाइन કરવાની જરૂર નથી. Design is not important. The quantities are important. Okay. Minus 10 G. Why G is minus 10? G is always 10. G is not acceleration. Okay. Flip the page up here to find out what is G. What is G? Exactly. Magnitude of gravity. Can magnitude ever be negative? The G plus 10 or negative. Anyways, in this question it is no use because G is only useful in vertical motion. Yes, no. This car is moving horizontal. Alright, so here we don't have to worry about it. If you have got 5 pens and I'll take 3 rupees from you, then how many will you? If you have 5 pens and I take 3 rupees from you, how many do you have? Yes, 2 pens or rupees? A problem here? Yes. 5 pens and I take 3 rupees from you. How much do you have? in feet. So we subtract. Take a look. I'm used to this question. Like to chapter, but the G is the G is the word magnitude of acceleration due to that is called G. That is magnitude. Magnitude is putting a modular plus minus. नहीं लखन तो मैं क्वेश्चन पर कि G equal to x बराबर है अब क्वेश्चन कि मैं acceleration कहीं नहीं लिख due to gravity, gravitation से बड़ी downward thing like this. It's like negative bigger man. Minus 10. 10 any value plus or minus any direction. Direction is the minus. Hi, yaar. That's why physics is very interesting subject. You know, every time you make a mistake in physics, the answer will be like a joke. તમે એને વિચારજો ને કે આ શું કહે છે તો તમને હસવું જ આવશે કે આવું થાય like it happened here બરાબર કે નહીં okay so what happened here so first of all first part we want to find the speed of the car at the end of 10 seconds who can tell me what is speed raise your hand જો એક મને યાદ છે speed બસ ખાવ આવું કરવાનું યાદ નહીં રાખવાનું પૂછું તો નથી હમણાં એક્ઝામ છે એટલે ચાલુ કરવું પડશે બધું only magnitude of velocity is called speed so we want to find velocity actually if we find velocity we can find its magnitude right sit down so here is the vehicle or the car it starts moving from here let's say this is the initial point and moves up to this point okay or not okay sure it reaches this point so this is final clear or not everyone got there sure the record size go to the schedule otherwise I'll have to teach to an empty classroom which I don't like to do so it accelerates with how much acceleration 1 meter per second square what was its initial velocity how do you know and given that it was at rest did you write this in your diagram yes. If not, now you make it a habit. Whatever details are given, you try to picturize it and put it in the diagram. Is that clear?
Yes.
Okay, V0 is 0. Okay, what do we want to find?
Speed.
At the end of 10 seconds. Means we have to find velocity first. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, sure.
Yes.
This is initial and final. Right. Time interval 10 seconds. Okay, is the acceleration constant?
Yes.
So what can we use? Equations of kinematics. Which one to use? 1, 2 or 3? 4. Yes. Corona koni rakho. What's the answer? V equal to V0 plus 80. So 0 plus 1 into 10. So answer is
10.
Unit? Meter per second. It's my favorite trick. It always works. Love, yeah, no, meter per second, not meter per second square. This is the velocity, and that will also be the speed because we are assuming that this vehicle is going towards the right side. Is it fine? I'm saying that. Okay or not okay? First part is done. Now what to do? If after achieving that speed, it is to be stopped suddenly in 2 meters to avoid obstacle, what does that mean? There has to be retardation. Okay or not?
Yes.
Magically from somewhere a cow has appeared. Is that okay or not okay?
Yes.
समझाना ने?
Yes.
Right? A cow has appeared. Where is the cow? The cow is at 2 meters. Okay or not okay? Cow is at what distance? 2-meter distance. Is that clear?
Yes.
So now from here on, to avoid hitting that cow, the vehicle has to be stopped. Okay? Then what's the question? Find the retardation required. That is, how much should be the retardation to stop the car in 2 meters? So when the car comes here, okay, it should be exact. Exact in the sense car will stop and the cow will start licking the bonnet. Okay or not? Is it clear, everyone? Exact 2 meters. Okay, so from this point to this point, how much is the displacement?
2 meters.
Clear or not?
Yes.
Sure?
Yes.
Sure. So second part. How much is delta x? 2 meters. Okay, now we are doing this calculation. Like let's say this point is A, this is B, and now this is C. Okay, C coincidentally for cow. So we are doing calculation for B to C. Is that clear?
Yes.
Sure. Now, what are the things we know and what are the things we don't know? Think about it. For B to C, do we know initial velocity?
Yes.
How much? 10 meters. Zero नहीं?
No.
Sure?
Yes.
अरे वाह मजा आ गई साचું કહ્યું 10 मीटर per second. No, not kidding. Normally people make a mistake here. That's why I'm quite pleased that so many of you said confidently 10 meters per second. Right. So now at C, what's the velocity?
Zero.
Sure?
Yes.
And that is what? Initial velocity, final velocity. અરે વાહ આટલું આવડી ગયો આવડો મેંડે તો પ્રયોગ કરી તમારા સર હોશિયાર લાગે Now કરો એક કરજા જેને કમ્પ્લેન કર્યો એને કર See, there is something about zero. This is zero is a measurement that doesn't need units. Think about it. 0 kg, isn't it same as 0 gram? Value wise, precision no kehta sir abo badha value wise 0 kg is same as 0 gram, correct or not?
Yes.
But 1 kg is not same as 1 gram. So actually when something is 0 you have liberty. Even if you don't write the unit, it is fine. Did you understand? Even if you don't write the unit, it is okay because 0 in whatever unit will be 0, except there is one exception. I think you might have said that in chemistry. 0 degrees Celsius. It's not 0 Kelvin, isn't it?
Yes.
This is nonsense. Okay, so this is one exception where even with 0 you have to write the unit. But otherwise, normally, like even if you write 0 meter per second or just write 0, it is fine. Okay, no mark cut no that because 0 is actually 0. Anyway, which equation suitable?
Second.
Are you sure? What do we have to find? What do we have to find? Retardation. What is retardation?
Decrease in speed.
Decrease in speed is called retardation, but you cannot find it. You can only find a quantity. What is retardation as a quantity? Magnitude of acceleration. Is that okay or not? Means you have to find acceleration.
Yes.
So let's find out acceleration. Which equation suitable?
Third.
Third.
Yes.
Not the second. Third, because we don't know the time, or we also don't want to find the time. Is that okay or not okay? So we use the third one. Come on. Put on value. Who is getting 25 meters per second? Is that the answer or acceleration?
Acceleration.
Acceleration. 25 meters per second square.
Yes.
It is wrong. Retardation is 25 meters per second. Acceleration is 25 meters per second. A is equal to 25. You are
A
equal to minus 25. Yes or no?
Yes.
A equal to minus 25 is what we will get. Third equation, 2a delta x equal to v square minus v0 square. 2a delta x
2 meter.
2 meter. Right side positive. Okay.
Yes.
V square
0.
minus v0 square 100. So that would give you a is equal to minus 100 by 4. That is minus 25 meter per second square. So acceleration is minus 25 meter per second square, and that means because here the speed is decreasing, we can say retardation is nothing but the magnitude or the modulus of acceleration. That's why 25 meter per second square is the final. Understood? खत्म था कि नहीं क्या लगता है, even if it is 5. Clear?
Yes.
Now see, this is a prime example of what I have been telling you. Here this object, this vehicle was moving towards the right side, so its velocity was right side. But look at the acceleration value we got here. Minus 25. What that is telling you is that acceleration, which is a vector, is towards the left side. Is that okay?
Yes.
You see, velocity and acceleration are in opposite direction, and that's why speed is decreasing. From 10, it will become 0. Okay? Right. So that's it about this question. Now, let's go to the next one. Okay. If you want clarity about it, you can say this is a ball A and the other one is ball B. This is really like a gum. It's not even getting clean. Why did they change your classroom?
For exam.
For exam.
Yes.
Yes. But that's what you will copy more in that classroom, so they made you sit here. No, then what's the reason? Area of the classroom. Okay. बराबर physics चढ़े रहे हो मुझे ना. Okay, did you understand the question?
Yes.
Two balls, one thrown up, one thrown down, and they will hit the ground. Yes or no?
Yes.
So what's the question? Which will hit the ground with more speed? That is, when it hits the ground, which ball will be faster or will have more speed? What does your mind tell you? What do you think will be the answer? Which one will hit the ground with more speed? Second one, the one that you are throwing down. Yes. Sure. Sure. Anyone doesn't say the ball that is going up will hit with more speed? Who says the ball thrown down will hit the ground with more speed? Raise your hand. What happened, Ripa? Disappointed that others are not raising hands? Confused? Okay? Fine. See, whenever you want to compare two things, you should definitely find out their values. If someone will say, who got more marks out of two students? Without knowing their exact marks, it's not easy to compare, yes or no?
Yes.
So that's what we'll do. We will find out the speed with which they will hit in both the cases. So there are two sums in one here. Did you understand? First, let's do it for A. Draw the diagram, throw it up, let it fall down, and find out with what speed it will fall down. Hurry up, come on. Draw the diagram, take reference at ground as usual. See, now I will not tell you this. This is the last step. Take reference at ground. Which direction do we normally take positive? Upward. It's not a rule, but it helps that everyone takes the same, then we can communicate easily. Right? So upwards positive, downwards negative. Take G as 10 if you want, but frankly, you don't even need the value of C. Okay, whether G is 10 or 9.8, answer will not change. Right? But still, take it 10. Okay, take it to be 10. Put points as usual, A, B and C like we normally do. Down. Up and up. Take it carefully. Thrown, you didn't write a word. Thrown up. Okay. For a second, that looked like a person throwing. You break the unit here. Time, unit. Why are you so afraid? Let me see. The book is book. Like this is amazing. I've never written anything like this in my life. But the neatness लेके क्या जरूरत है सर? थोड़ी बुक बगड़वी જોઈએ. બગડે તો થયું કહેવાય. બગડી છે. Everyone, please, I really suggest that you don't write in a separate book and then you copy it down after going home or anything. એનાથી કેટલો બધો ટાઈમ બગડે તમારો વિચારો. G લેવો ને ઉપર ગમે તે મૂવ થાય under influence of gravity. બરોબર એક તો ચાલુ કરો તો આન્સર આવે ને આ યુનિટ મીટર પર સેકન્ડ equal to 10 meter per second. Meter per second square acceleration. Do you want to find time? ક્યાંથી take work? ક્યાંથી ફેંકો બોલ? A થી ફેંકો કે B થી? Ball is thrown up from a tower. એવું લખ્યું. બે નહીં પેલા એક તો કરો, બે પછી કરો. minus. Acceleration is always acceleration to gravity is always zero. We are doing calculation from which point to which point. A for velocity zero is zero velocity is drop. Where is the overall drop? From here. Capitals. Acceleration minus 10 meter per second. If I assist you all a little, you are doing very nice. But MNM karana is a problem type. Be careful. First thing is draw the diagram by reading the question carefully. From top of a tower. So there is a tower first of all. I hope everyone has drawn. Another thing. What are we doing from top of tower? Throwing the ball up. So hit the ball. Thrown up. So what will happen? It will go up and then it will fall down. Hit the ground. Clear or not?
Yes.
Let's say this point is starting point A and this is final point C. We are not interested in B. Right. What information do we have except that this height is how much? 20 meters. What other information do we have? Speed, 20 meters per second. Which speed is that? At which point? At A. Yeah. Is that clear or not?
Yes.
At the point A. Alright? Fine. So at A it is 20 meters per second. Fine. Then which ball will hit the ground with more speed? Means we have to find the speed with which it hits the ground. Yes or no? Which point? A, B or C? A, B or C? C. Sure?
Yes.
Hitting the ground is at B. Yes or no?
No.
Well, C. Okay. You have not lost your bearings. Okay. So C. Clear or not?
Yes.
Okay. So we have to do calculation to C. But what to C? A to C or B to C? B to C no करना है? क्या करना है? कौन ना We can do it, but it's a bad idea because we know about A, not about B. Clear?
Yes.
Correct. Which equation will you use? First, second, third. Who says first? What's your rationale behind using that? Ariba, can you please stand up and tell us why first? Final and initial values, velocities are given. Given or not given?
Yes, sir.
Given. Okay. What is the initial velocity means at A? 20 meters per second. And at C?
0.
0. If you already know the velocity at C, why don't you tell us, right? Why are you making you do it? Think about it. Everyone clear or not? The velocity at C is not 0 and it's not given also. Is that clear? Sure. In fact, that's what we have to find, isn't it?
Yes.
Sure, you get it?
Yes.
Fine. Sit down. So 1 is a bad idea. I hope you all realize that. Those who said 1. Now who says 2? No? Okay? Here? We don't want to find time interval or time. Yes or no? So third one. What is the third equation? A delta x equal to b squared minus b zero. Okay, then we put value. 2 value is 2. Okay, I don't need your help for that. Acceleration. Minus 10. That's over there. 10 or minus 10? आगे हो ऊपर जाएगा और minus 10? नीचे आओ से बात.
Yes, sir.
Suppose this ball was to be thrown up and then suddenly Superman would fly and catch you. Then would acceleration be plus 10 or minus 10? Understand the situation again. Someone throws the ball up and suddenly Superman flies in and catches the ball at the highest point. Then would acceleration be plus 10 or minus 10? Who says minus 10? Who says plus 10? Put your hand up. Minus 10 is right. Okay, only those who said plus 10. Did you think that because the ball is going up, acceleration should be positive?
Yes,
Is that what you thought? That's what you thought. What did you think? Anjali? Sorry? So, પછી કેમ to plus 10? Acceleration downwards. Sure, confusion clear? Acceleration due to gravity is always downward. That means it will be negative. Yes or no? Again, those sentences. Okay, એટલે કહો છો રોજ સવારે ઉઠીને શું કરવાનું? સેન્ટેન્સ વાંચવાનું. Okay. Fine. Delta x 20. Sure.
Yes.
Who says 20? Who disagrees? You disagree? You disagree?
Yes.
Those who are 20. Very good. Minus 20. What happened to democracy? મેં તમને કીધું ને physics is not following rules of democracy. અરે minus 20 આવે. You are going the ball is going from A to C. Yes or no?
Yes.
Suppose you draw number line. This is origin. Yes or no?
Yes.
So final position 0. Initial position 20. Correct or not?
Yes.
Sure. So final minus initial. 0 minus 20. That is how much?
Minus 20.
Clear?
Yes.
And this is not the first time you have been confused. Barabar ne? This is not the first time you have made this mistake. So it's a common mistake. Beware now. Clear? Anyone has confusion with it? Bhaji bhai ne plus 20 kevu છે? No, really. If you think it is still plus 20, again another way. Ultimately, the ball was here. The ball ends up here. Shifts downward. Yes or no?
Yes.
Does not distance traveled is a different thing, but displacement does not depend on path. Initial, final position. આ બધું કઈ નહીં જોવાનું. It was here, it disappeared and appeared here. ચલો, moved in which direction?
Downward.
Got it?
Yes.
Sure.
Yes.
Okay, downwards is negative. So 20 in value, but downwards. So minus 20. That's physics way of explaining. Sure. V square. Okay, we want to find. V0 square. 20 square how much? 40. Yes or no? Okay. So what's the answer? V square is equal to? V square equal to? કોઈને 0 આવે છે? પૂછે છે. કોઈને આવે 0? Here. 0. 400 plus 400. Minus minus plus. That will be added on this side. Don't make such silly mistakes. Okay or not okay? So V square is 800. Let it be like that. So V is equal to root 800. Don't need to do anything with it. Okay, meter per second. This is only for the first ball. Yes or no? હવે E નું કરો થોડો. Do it yourself. Come on. What will be different? What will be different? Instead of going up, the ball is thrown down. Okay. Come on. Do it. Hurry up. Which equation is suitable? So second, this is for the second ball. Okay. 2a delta x equal to v square minus v0 square. 2. Acceleration. Plus 10 minus 10. Minus 10. Displacement. Minus 20. Okay. V square. We want to find. Yes or no? V square minus V0. What is V0? Sure.
Yes.
What get 20? Who says 20?
Minus 20.
What minus 20? What will is minus 20? Some of you are saying plus 20, some of you are saying minus 20. Give reasons.
Because it is
Louder. You have to convince them.
the velocity is downward side, that's the ground side. So we taken as ground side minus sign. So it will be minus 20 meters per second.
Do you agree with him?
Yes.
Become check करे थे.
No.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Velocity is downward. Why? Because the ball was thrown down. Do you remember object move in direction of velocity?
Velocity.
The velocity downward, that means object is moving down. Clear?
Yes.
Fine. So minus 20. So હવે શું થશે? Same જ આવશે? Weight भी same or not same?
Yes.
Same or not same?
Same.
પણ અહીંયા તો minus છે.
But it will be minus
But square of negative number is also positive. So ultimately you will get v square equal to 800. Therefore v equal to root 800. Okay, so read the question again. Which ball will hit the ground with more speed?
Same.
The answer is same speed. Same speed. Okay? Both will hit with the same speed. Okay? Kita tan તમે નીચે ફેંકે તો વધારે speed. That is wrong. Clear? Clear or not clear? તમને નથી કહેતો physics is unintuitive. Unintuitive, that is તમને એવું લાગે કે આવું થશે પછી it will not be the same thing. Is that okay or not okay? Right? Because nature always fools us. Okay, I'm reading this question. Only if I can. બચી ગયો તો હમણાં તમને ફોર્મ્યુલા પૂછું. ઓ લવ ભાઈ કેવું પડ્યા પણ પૂછીને આમ નામ ચાલે